Welcome to Lippis Matthias. I'm Beth Claren, a partner and your official tour guide. Come with me, let me show you around. We care about first impressions here at Lippis. Whatever office you go to, there are folks happy to greet you. This is Paul, he's our Chief of First Impressions here in Buffalo. I've been practicing law 21 years and at Lippis for the last 6, and I can honestly say that being part of Lippis is like being part of a family. People love coming to work, and we're all here to support one another. This is our managing partner's office. Kevin's very accessible. His door is always open. Hey, Kevin.
Welcome. We're glad you're here. You're in great hands with Beth.
We have an award-winning marketing team. Right here, this is Jen, who leads the whole thing. Hi, Jen.
Hi, Don.
This is Tom. He's our Chief Operating Officer, and he keeps us all on track and running smoothly. How you doing, Tom?
I'm doing well.
Ooh, something wrong with the computer?
Yeah, Scott's on the case though.
Thank goodness we have a really great IT team. We create an environment where people want to be. Each of our 14 offices has its own personality, but there are elements that tie us all together, like our conference rooms. We have 41 conference rooms throughout all our offices, and they're each named after local landmarks in their area. On the first Friday of every month, our firm gathers here for breakfast. It's a tradition we keep up in all of our offices. We have networking events, happy hours, lunch and learns, or even just hang out and play bubble hockey. And we don't stop there. Ever hear of a law firm that has unlimited drinks and snacks? We do. Across all of our offices, we have 26 coffee stations, we have 44 refrigerators stocked with drinks, and we have 25 snack baskets. And at the end of the day, it's just great to be in a place with friends enjoying a drink. That's Lippis Matthias. We love it here. We know you will too. Hey guys!
Hey, Beth!
Hey, Beth, where are you?
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.